How to change mobile hotspot network name on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and you will see first option is connections. Click on connections. After click on connections, scroll down and click on mobile hotspot and retring. After click on mobile hotspot and retring, click on mobile hotspot and you will see network name is here. If you want to change mobile network name, so you will change mobile network name from here. After change name, click on save. After you will see network name is changed. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can change mobile hotspot network name on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.